Hello guys, in today's video I'll be playing another realistic type shooter game known as Frontlines. No, this is not Frontlines.
I love Rolling Thunder.
This is Rolling Thunder. Where we roll in thunder. That is not true. Yeah, nice death counts. Anyways, I'm here with my friends.
Alright.
I'll try to get one or two extra guns.
So the first brief accommodating Warcrimes in a video game, you know, just typical Sunday activities. Yep, nothing wrong with that.
I kind of just like this flamethrower, but it's not a flamethrower.
It's just a beam of bread. What are you talking about?
The thing is, it's not functional as a flamethrower. I mean, of course it does burn, but it shoots out bullets. Burn bullets.
Lava bullets. There you go. Macaroni. These are 12 watches.
He's dead. His name is E.
Jesus Christ, brother.
I mean, they have to make
Wow,
some
okay.
games.
Wow. I need to go to blowing them up. I got it.
Ouch, I'm out of combat zone. But these zombies stand no chance against the flamethrower. No human, no zombie stands a chance against this flamethrower. Or rather a fire gun. This is more so a gun.
I can barely fight back because of how bad my finger is, dude.
Alright. Bird to jest, or I cannot even read. Alright, killed another famous family.
And I think they sometimes do mac and cheese.
High pap. I remember when I got a 200th kill streak once in this game. It gave me thousands of points.
I would have gotten this kill streak if I wasn't like the most freaking, if I didn't have like the most highest thing out of everyone here.
You know, I kind of lost my streak because it glitched on a bridge. What do you remember that? When it glitched on the bridge.
It is literally, there are literal zombies just spawn camping on the helicopter, and nothing. And I even using a flank, I'm using a Mosin cannon and a jumper.
You know, it's very rare when I record a video and actually post it. I just record it now. Yeah, I'll have to hide. Otherwise I'll get gunned down. Ah, zombies! Don't let my friend burn them all. If any of y'all have a zombie problem at home, just hire me. $5 per zombie killed.
Dude, call 1-800-XVII and he'll take care of that.
Yeah, exactly. Or just visit my website at xviibroski.extermination.com.
.pl.
Yeah, .pl. No.
Wait, that's a full
Yeah.
domain.
Yeah, it is. It's .pl.
Okay.
But even if they set the flames, they'll get caught on fire. So
Yeah.
Just teleport it.
I think we're gonna know about it.
Oh, that's something. That's very much something.
Dude, oh my god. Yeah, why am I surprised? We're fighting against the Vietnamese. Of course they're in the bush. Why are they... This is a pretty realistic...
Those guys are mostly American soldiers, so I think we're the Vietnamese.
We're not even hiding in bushes.
Yeah.
This is an alternate universe.
POV, the Vietnamese war. In,
POV, the time traveler kicks her off.
alternate universe moments.
Damn, even when I pay, I can still hit. Kill. Oh.
Then I'll make this a firewall, like an actual firewall.
And I can literally see through it.
I'll make this a wall out of fire.
Oh, let me just have a conversation with them real quick. Let me have a little combo. Hello, everybody. Worst case scenario, I gotta pull out my China leg. My massive China leg because... Oh wait, I'm almost at 3,000 kills. Alright. 50 kill streak. You're so good at this game.
What do you got this game? You have 84 deaths. Wait, no, that's not even... That is not even... My bad.
Bro, you have 69. Make sure you don't die, bro. Don't worry.
Don't worry, my kills will stay... I mean, my deaths will stay at that. It won't go up, it won't go down. Oh, why does it take so long to reload? Nah, bro, I'm rushing back to base, so I'll firewall.
Don Rambo. I think I just murdered Rambo himself. Dude, how the hell did Rambo stay alive in all these movies? He didn't even have a chance with me. Just shot him in the head, he's gone.
Alright, let's go. Back to the water.
Why do our characters look like that? I just don't like how our characters look. They look strange.
Do they look too manly? Do they look too manly for you? Do you want us to be...
No, their faces just... No, their faces... They look shell-shocked.
Look at me.
Look like they've been shell-shocked like 1,000 times.
Thing is, over
God, it's a bit close, man.
here. Get up, over here.
Alright, can you just take
Look
everything?
at me.
What?
Look me in the eye. Let.
You got the uranium gun.
Yeah, I guess.
Uranium gun, dude. As soon as you hit somebody with it, the Geiger counter goes immediately off.
I'll try to master my
I don't know how I got it with the motion actually.
I have only one.
Why are we behind the bushes? We're fighting the Americans.
Yeah, haven't you noticed? We're fighting the Americans.
Yeah, but like they're literally behind bushes like the entire time, bro.
I think they teamed up with East Vietnam. Bro, the ultimate collab. East Vietnam collab.
Dude, the time server kicked the rod. Maybe that's why. Maybe that's why they're hiding behind the bushes now. The time traveler.
No.
Time traveler kicked raw.
Bro.
What happened?
I almost died. No. Bro, I'm about to die.
Oh, you're about to die. Just run back. Run back to the helicopter.
Come on, bro. You got me. Oh, they're still shooting at me. Oh, that was close. That was really close.
Yeah, actually.
Bro, sometimes their aim is trash, but sometimes they just beam me out of nowhere. Bro, I just came to spawn and these guys were chasing me. Actual racists.
What?
racist. These guys are racist.
Nah, maybe they want your autograph, dude.
Bro, they're not gonna steal on China Lake, just so you know. I ain't dying. My uranium China Lake. My grenade launcher.
my grenade launcher loaded with uranium. Loaded with like
8
blocks
million
of uranium.
Alright, 95 kill streak. I almost reaching 100.
How much calories is just a whole block of uranium?
Calories? That's in the million, bro. Why has nobody eaten at least 1 milligram of uranium ever? Why has nobody tried cooking with uranium?
What? I don't know, man. I don't know. They're probably be doing that in Mars sometimes. I think they're gonna do that in Mars.
Uranium pancakes.
Elon Musk is cooking uranium as we speak.
Uranium apple trees.
Dude, next day you wake up, instead of dying, you just get superpowers.
100 kill streak, Luis. Let's go. I'm encouraged.
Dude, all of a sudden when you have to pee, it just all of a sudden it's just green, dude.
105 kill streak.
Just neon green.
Get more kills. Give me all the kills, boy.
Dude, literally, I bet when you eat uranium, you get RGB. You get RGB lighting in your eyes, dude.
Oh, they're all over there.
Let me take it. Hold on. This has gotta be illegal in some way. We just spawn camp these guys. That's gotta be illegal.
Nah, bro. Those are not war crimes. We're just marking our territory.
Yeah, this is not. Yeah, this is just self-defense.
Let me pee there. Maybe that'll help.
This is just self-defense, bro. It's not crime.
It's only the two of us.
I'm running back.
I gotta get like 150,000 points. Bro,
He's still eating. I swear, are you still after me, you goddamn? Alright, never mind.
enemies. Enemies everywhere.
Alright, Tango, 2 Tangos down with explosive. They're gone. No, they're eradicated from reality. They're not part of this planet anymore because they just despawn.
125 kill streak. Let's keep it going. You know, if I really want to,
I hit. Oh, I didn't hit it. I didn't think I did.
Alright, go on. Time to use a chain leg. Oh,
There we go.
I mean, you
Did that
could
for
use
you.
it. To be honest, I felt like using it, but you use it for me. I'll drink some sparkling water because I'm just a top G.
I'm just drinking regular water, bro. Oh, what's wrong with water?
Bro, sparkling water is simply superior. Sparkling water is simply superior if you drink. What? No. If you're fasting for Lent.
If you're fasting for your sparkling water. If you're fasting for your reason, sparkling water is good.
Well, this sparkling water finna make me fast and furious.
Dude, bro, you're about to be Dominic Toretto. You're about to turn into Dominic Toretto.
The Polish Dominic Toretto. But
Yeah.
are you participating in Lent?
Participating in what?
In Lent. Are you participating in Lent?
What is that?
Ain't no way. You don't know.
I don't think I've ever heard of it. It sounds really unfamiliar, especially with these
Search
headphones.
up LUNT. Lent.
You so bad.
No, it's not bad at all. If it was bad, I would have not put it in the video.
I can't. Oh, it's out. I don't think it's so much to get
I'll keep this video going until either I die or I reach a 200 kills.
I mean, my parents don't celebrate, right? My parents are not that religious, though. That's the thing. So,
Well, either you believe in God or you don't believe in God, one of the two.
yeah, but we don't participate in stuff like Lent, that's the thing.
I think the West has fallen.
What do you mean the West is falling?
Yeah, the Western society, Portugal is part of the West.
Oh yeah, apparently Portugal did slave trades.
What?
Someone told me that at Retro Blocked,
Slave trades?
which was, yeah, slave trades. Portugal did that, like,
Yeah, I think that every country had a slave at one point, besides
I
the
think
countries in Africa.
I think almost like all of Europe did that.
No, not even all of
Like,
Europe,
Portugal-
the whole world did that. Everyone had
Portugal
a slave.
special, bro. The entirety of Portugal did that.
I mean, you know,
Well, by the way,
a cheap
context
workforce.
of
What more
why
can you
they
say? Cheap
did that?
workforce.
You want to know what? You want to know the context of why they told me that?
Yeah, alright, go ahead, tell me because this is getting real
So
interesting.
I was playing Be Cursed by a Speeding Wall in Retro Studio, right? For some reason,
someone play Retro Studio after this.
Yeah, sure. Literally, I played. I painted the flag of Portugal, right? Someone came up, paint colors. I said, "You ruined the flag of Portugal," and someone someone named Bacon Boy for some reason just said, "At least I have a father." Portugal started SLA, which could be something related to slave trades and all that. And I just goes, "So do I." And then they go, "At least I have a family." So do I. Like, what are they trying to do, bro? Like, what are they trying to justify?
Yeah, for real. What
Like, literally, that was like now I'm committing war crimes. Now I'm committing war crimes. I just killed 2 people in their spawns. Holy, that's a war crime, alright.
A war crime is also burning people, so I have committed war crimes countless times in this one playthrough. Ain't that interesting?
In one whole playthrough. Don't let the American government see that. Don't let the U.S. government see it.
But what the hell is the US government gonna do against a Polish guy in a tractor?
I don't know.
The West Fields!
The West Fields?
Yeah, the rice fields.
I don't think it's a rice field anymore, bro. It's full of water.
Yeah.
I don't even think it's a rice field.
I think they flooded it. Bro, not gonna lie, I feel pretty lucky because Friday we made cinnamon rolls. Bro, the thing is, we could take 8 giant cinnamon rolls back home. They're all gone today.
Damn! Y'all had a feast!
Yeah, but the thing is, I also participated in Lent, so I had to wait. I had to wait until today.
Oh no. Literally killing them at their spawn point. This is literally I'm committing crimes right now.
You're better off just going inside of a house, lighting it on fire, and letting the enemies go to you.
Yeah, this is not a war crime if they walk into it. It's their fault.
Yeah.
It's their fault that they. It's their fault, not ours. No.
It's your fault for stepping into my mind. It's your fault for getting into my white van. It's all your fault.
Well, technically, it's your fault that you walked into a burning building. Like, why would you walk into a burning building first?
Because I want to kill the enemy. By the way, I'm low-key fireproof.
POV the pyro. The pyro in a nutshell.
Well, alright, 170 kill streak, 30 more kills, and I'm gone. And then we can hop off.
Oh god, that's the lag spike.
What lag
And
spike,
my
bro? I'm chilling on 130 FPS on max
yeah, because you
graphics.
got a freaking actual computer. Uh-oh, rut-row. Oh no.
Len, I wonder just how much money you could save up if you saved up for your money for 1 year.
Damn it. Oh no. I'm going to die. Why is it all the way back there? I'm going to.
Len, hide in the house, hide in the house.
I'm already dead. You saw me die. You saw me literally disappear from reality. Really dead, bro. I'm gonna kill.
I gotta hide in the house, I gotta hide in the house.
Third.
Bro, that is real too close. That is way too close. That is way too close. Oh, bro. I got caught in all the fires.
I don't either.
Alright, there you go. 75k points. I can buy one of the most expensive guns in the game now. Oh, bro, that's a real close one.
Why? Oh my god. That's fun. Yeah, thanks. The game literally just decided it was a good. Literally, there was an enemy right close to like the helicopter. He was like, killed him, boom. I'm out of the battle area.
I'll go hide instead of one of the lake houses. Bro, let me in, let me in! Oh, that hit a lot of them, that hit a lot of them.
And dude, it's eternally. You would have died by now from that thing. How the hell did it just escape you? How the hell did it damage you a little?
I think they have made explosion-proof armor.
That's not possible. Americans can't even make anything. What do you mean?
All they can make is trans kids.
Dude, all they can make is I don't know, burgers or I don't know.
Burger. Bro, even they messed up their own burgers.
Not even burgers they can do it, bro.
I mean,
wait, you wanna know about the Impossible Whopper Burger from Burger King?
what is that? And why do you know about it?
Oh, but apparently it had a lot of estrogen somehow. They somehow put female hormones in a burger.
That's
How do you add hormones inside of a burger?
That's perfect for women. That is perfect for women, but it's horrible for men.
Like, imagine eating the Impossible Burger as a guy. Next day, boobies.
But
Like, how do you put hormones in a burger in the?
Yeah, the thing is,
How do you
it's
do
the
that?
pesticides that are inside of it, not the actual meat or something. Bro, we're lucky enough to live in the EU, where they have banned products like that.
Would they have banned like estrogen and all that? Which is not
I mean, bro, how can a country or a company ban hormones? That sounded very weird. Yeah, but they
yeah,
ban some pesticides.
I don't know if you're talking about the pills. Are you talking about the pill?
No, I'm talking about the pesticides, the chemicals
Oh,
used for wheat, farming and stuff. Wait a minute.
Second time I've died because apparently the bots decided they want to have aimbot today.
Alright, Len, it's time to go back to menu.
I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm done.
Type 56, but the DB. No, it's not. I have 3 guns remaining. I'll get them in the next few episodes. Well, anyways, guys, thank you all for watching. Bye bye.